This means that Iblis tried to compare himself to Adam. He believed that he was more honorable than Adam. Therefore he abstained from prostrating even though Allah had commanded him to do so, just as he had commanded the angels. If an analogy is made, we see that Iblis is vain. For indeed clay is better than fire because in it can be found the qualities of calmness, clemency, perseverance and growth, whereas in fire can be found heedlessness, insignificance, haste, and incineration. Iblis tried in vain to justify his refusal. www.islambasics.com Shall I prostrate to one whom you created from clay? Iblis said, See, those whom you have honored above me, if you give me